Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: a smooth green surface, even lights and distance. First, hang or paint the screen taut. Once done, position your subject 3 to 6 ft away to minimize color spill and shadows. Next, set the camera to RAW, manual white balance, and a low ISO for clean files. Make sure you lock exposure and focus. Take a test frame, then check for wrinkles or hot spots. If you see problems, adjust lights and distance before moving on. Now you refine lighting and camera control to create clean separation. Set a 3-point setup: key, fill, and a back or hair light to wrap the subject and reduce green spill. Make sure the green background reads midtones on the histogram, around 60 to 80%, and use softboxes or diffusion to avoid hot spots. Also check color temperature so lights match. Mixed temps cause matte issues. Finally, compose with extra headroom and side margin so you have room to key without clipping edges. You complete the process in post. Import RAW frames and apply the chroma key tool. Sample a neutral green patch, then lower tolerance until subject edges stay intact. Use edge soften and choke sparingly to avoid halos. Once keyed, match perspective and lighting by color grading subject to the plate. Add a subtle shadow and slight blur to blend depth. If you see green spill on hair or skin, reduce background saturation, add a rim or hair light, or use targeted desaturation. That usually resolves remaining artifacts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.